Let's count monkeys one by one, swinging, jumping, having fun. Clap your hands and sing with me, we'll count monkeys up to 30.
1 monkey, 2 monkeys, 3 monkeys, 4 monkeys, 5 monkeys, 6 monkeys, 7 monkeys, 8 monkeys,
9 monkeys, 10 monkeys. Keep on counting, here we go. Monkeys swinging high and low. 11 monkeys, 12 monkeys, 13 monkeys, 14 monkeys,
15 monkeys, 16 monkeys, 17 monkeys, 18 monkeys, 19 monkeys, 20 monkeys.
Keep on counting, clap your hands. Monkeys playing in the sand.
21 monkeys, 22 monkeys, 23 monkeys, 24 monkeys, 25 monkeys, 26 monkeys, 27 monkeys, 28 monkeys, 29 monkeys, 30 monkeys.
Hooray, hooray, we counted all. 30 monkeys, big and small.